In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use any payment provider or merchant account on GoHighLevel tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can start collecting payments through the provider you prefer. Before we begin, make sure you're logged in with the right permissions for your location in GoHighLevel and have your merchant account details handy. If your provider uses login authorization, be ready to sign in. If they use API keys, keep those secure and accessible. First, head to the Payments area inside your GoHighLevel account. You'll find Payments in the main navigation panel. Opening this section is your starting point for everything related to invoicing, checkouts, and subscriptions. This is also where you manage which processor handles your charges, so going here first ensures your setup applies across your payment tools. Next, open the Integration section within Payments. This is where GoHighLevel lists supported payment providers and merchant accounts. Think of it as your connection hub. You'll see the available options here, and this page is designed to make it clear what you can connect. If you're comparing providers, keep in mind differences like supported currencies, payout schedules, chargeback policies, and fees. Your choice here influences how money flows from customers to your bank. Now, choose the provider you want to use. Click on the provider tile or name to highlight it. Pick the one that matches your business region and the payment methods your customers prefer, such as major cards or digital wallets. If your business operates in multiple countries, confirm the provider supports those regions and currencies. Selecting the right provider now helps avoid declines or verification delays later. Finally, click Connect. This initiates the secure handshake between GoHighLevel and your provider. Depending on the provider, you may be redirected to log in and authorize access, or you might be prompted to paste in your public and secret keys. Enter details carefully, match live versus test mode as intended, and approve any requested permissions. When the connection succeeds, you'll see a confirmation or a connected status next to your provider in the integrations page. From that point on, invoices and checkout pages inside GoHighLevel can route payments through your newly connected merchant account. If the connection doesn't complete, disable pop-up blockers, confirm you use the correct environment and credentials, and ensure your provider account is fully activated. That's all there is to it. Open Payments, go to Integrations, select your provider, and click Connect. You're ready to accept payments inside GoHighLevel with the processor that works best for your business.